Responding to consumer trends in the new reality examines the impact of COVID on consumer needs, preferences, and behaviors, and what businesses can do to keep pace. KPMG's report examined the impact of COVID over a period of several months, involving over 75,000 consumers in 12 markets and 5 sectors, including insurance. So the top 4 trends are the economic impact, erosion of trust, rise of digital, and home is the new hub. So let's break those down as it relates to the insurance findings. First, economic impact. It turns out that about 40% of the consumers that responded to this survey identified themselves as financially overwhelmed or financially insecure. And yet, despite those findings, many of them were prioritizing spending on savings and protection, of which insurance was one of those areas. Second, on erosion of trust. So all the sectors studied experienced an erosion of trust over the period of time of this study. However, it turns out that insurance had the highest trust ranking, and again, I think that has to do with the fact that insurance at its heart is about protecting people in their time of need. Now, in the rise of digital, when consumers were asked what's most important to you, 40% of consumers said that efficient claims processing was their top priority, followed by 28% who said clear direction on how I contact you, insurance company. Then there were 2 other findings around products. 29% said they're looking for personalized products to meet their needs, and 27% said they're looking for innovative products to respond to the new reality that they're facing with COVID. Finally, on the last trend, home is the new hub, we're seeing changes in consumer behaviors. People are driving less, they're staying home more. And so what does that mean? We saw that about 18% of the consumers had made some kind of a shift on their auto insurance, buying new auto insurance or changing their policies, and 13% on home insurance. But what I found really interesting is that 12% said that they were buying life insurance. Now, why is that interesting? Because life insurance is typically more of a grudge purchase, but even the financially overwhelmed and insecure were actually making life insurance purchases. So how do we sum all this up? Consumers' behaviors, needs, preferences are evolving rapidly, and insurance companies have to think decisively and quickly as they respond to these needs as they evolve.